AI military drones are making their own decision without any human command. ये सुन के आपकी नींद हो जाएगी। AI का डार्क साइड जो मीडिया अवॉइड कर रही है। अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि AI सिर्फ चैटबॉट और फोटो एडिटिंग या ऐसे ही कुछ टूल्स के लिए सीमित है, तो आप बहुत गलत सोच हैं। The global artificial intelligence market has just exploded from $638 billion in 2025 to a projected value of $3.6 trillion by 2034, representing the annual rate of 19.20% growth rate. Meanwhile, 78% of the organizations are using AI now in at least one of the business functions, up from 55% earlier, fundamentally transforming how we work, how we live, and compete against them. This massive shift is creating both extraordinary opportunities for those who adapt AI quickly and essential threats for those who are not willing to do it. From autonomous military drones to AI systems that can even outperform humans in complex decision-making tasks. अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि AI सिर्फ चैटबॉट और फोटो एडिटिंग या ऐसे ही कुछ टूल्स के लिए सीमित है, तो आप बहुत गलत सोच हैं। Right now, I am speaking about artificial intelligence industry reached $638 billion in 2025, and by 2034, it's going to hit $3.6 trillion economy with annual growth rate of 19.20%, faster than any industry in the decade. यहाँ तक तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर था। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि why this AI revolution is biggest opportunity and biggest threat of our lifetime. But यहाँ पे स्केरी क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर कंपनीज इतने फास्ट AI को अडॉप्ट कर रही है, तो ह्यूमंस का क्या हो? The answer will shock you. AI isn't just helping human anymore. They are replacing humans in many areas. Let's see where AI is replacing humans and which fields are they. Data analysis. AI processes millions of data in seconds, while human takes weeks. AI creates thousands of articles, while human writes one. AI chatbot handles 80% of customer queries without human interference. Software development. AI writes code 3x faster with fewer bugs rather than humans. Financial analysis. AI predicts market trends with 85% of accuracy versus human can predict 60%. But what if AI isn't just taking jobs? Jobs लेने के साथ साथ, on the other hand, it is creating new jobs also. Let's see which are them. The new human AI collaboration era. If we could start working with AI, it will become an unstoppable combination of humans plus AI. Let us see where are the weak points of AI and they are creating more jobs than ever. AI prompt engineering. I know AI is taking jobs, but someone is need to control the AI. And here comes the prompt engineers. They give a specific set of instruction to the AI chatbots or the AI so they can work properly or provide the results that business needs in a most accurate manner. Then comes the AI trainers. They do not code the AI. They educate them with the real world examples. As we know, all AI chatbots have a specific data regarding the previous years. Someone is need to feed the data to the AI. They do not learn automatically. That's why AI trainers are there. Then comes AI ethicist. You might all have heard this name first time, but they are guardians of AI, like guardians of the galaxy. They guard the universe. And yes, they guard the AI to maintain them in a safe manner, to keep it safe from the humans and to keep it them legally authorized. Here is the truth. AI amplifies speed and scale. On the other hand, human brings emotion and soul. Together, they are the unstoppable combination of productivity, the future of work. But यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आता है, शुड वी कॉम्पीट विद एआई, कोलैबोरेट विद एआई और create new AI? The answer decides your future of career. So, what could you do? Like a smartly. Start with AI-powered freelancer. Build expertise in your specific field. Then you can either join a high-paying job or you can build a AI-powered startup with the real expertise. But मैं जो आपको बताऊंगा वो important है. AI का डार्क साइड जो मीडिया अवॉइड कर रही है. Military applications that are changing to warfare completely. ये section uncomfortable but important. AI isn't just changing our careers, it's changing warfare in such a way that should terrify everyone. The autonomous weapons reality. Legal autonomous weapons systems, so-called laws. The drones that can select target on their own and shoot on their own without any human interference. AI-powered defense projects reaching billions globally. Countries racing to develop military superiority in AI field. The recent war in Ukraine shows AI uses in the battlefield. ये मैं कोई मूवी की बात नहीं बता रहा. It's happening right now. Military drones equipped with AI are making kill or spare decisions in milliseconds. Imagine an AI drone sees a target and lock it and makes a decision of kill or spares in just 0.3 seconds. Human approval, that's optional for them. Major power countries like US, China, and Russia are investing billions in autonomous military AI. They are all running towards the AI military race. The same AI that tells you YouTube videos that track your every movement, predict your behavior, और control your access to the services. But यहाँ पे सिर्फ despair नहीं, opportunities भी है. Because informed citizens can shape how AI develop. And it all starts with your career choice. In this upcoming 3.6 trillion market cap, there will be space for AI professionals. The question is, are you ready to claim your share? Guys, मैं बहुत clear हो जाऊँ, AI revolution optional नहीं, it's mandatory. Most of the organizations and businesses are using AI in their business automative functions. And if you are not using AI, तो आप भी irrelevant हो जाओगे और check. But good news ये है कि कुछ companies are using generative AI models. So there is a space for AI ready professional. तो decision आप क्या? There are three choices. Either you can ignore AI and your career will gradually decrease. You can either learn AI, you will have enhanced capabilities and opportunities more than ever. Or you can master AI and build something of your own in this $3.6 trillion economy. Choice आपका है, but consequences with everyone face. Right now, we are in the early adaptation phase. Most of the people are still catching up. If you learn it today, you will have a 2 to 3 years of advantage than the majority of peoples. AI marketplace is growing at rapid pace and it's doubling over every 4 years. Early movers will have the maximum advantages. So let's make this fun. Imagine this is 2027. You mastered AI. So where are you now? Freelancing from your dream place, running your own tech startup, or leading an innovation at a big tech company. Tell your future self story in the comments and let's manifest it together. And now, if you like the video, share ज़रूर करना. And in this revolution, there are only two types of people. First one, the one who learns AI and adopt it faster, and the other one are those who are get replaced by those who learns AI. So, which one are you?